Acquiring professional collector car insurance for your cherished automobile means you are protecting yourself for any future mishaps. As a collector, you probably have a big investment of time and money. Knowing you are covered for its entire value can give you peace of mind. What is collector car insurance? The whole idea behind any kind of insurance is knowing it will give you what you expect in an emergency. For the collector, when it comes to specialty auto insurance, you will find it provides specific protection not offered by conventional auto insurance. The collector car policy covers the usual problems: fire, collision, theft and vandalism, but a collector needs auto insurance that will go a lot farther when calamity strikes. Collector car insurance or classic auto insurance was created solely for the special needs of the car collector. The difference between conventional and collector auto insurance is primarily the value of the policy and the requirements. For example, as a collector, you might own a classic 1970 Camaro Z28 you purchased in 1980 for $2,000, but today a dealer would give you $15,000 for it. If you had only conventional car insurance, you would be lucky to get your $2,000 back from the insurance company, if it was totaled. On the other hand, as a collector you know the market value of your classic. When you purchased your classic car insurance you agreed upon the value. Therefore, you would receive the entire value of the vehicle. You are taking a big risk by not getting the proper collector insurance coverage. What are the requirements for classic auto insurance? As mentioned earlier, the requirements for classic car insurance are different from conventional insurance. A collector has to have a good driving record. The collector has to have at least 10 years driving experience. The collector's policy cannot have teams or someone with a poor driving record on it. The collector's classic car is stored out of the weather. Proof of another vehicle for daily transportation can be provided. The age of the car may disqualify it. Mileage may be restricted to a limited number of miles per month. What is the value of the collector policy? When purchasing your classic car insurance policy, a collector and the company will determine the value of your car based on three kinds of value. The actual cash value of the vehicle, that is based on replacing the car minus depreciation. The stated value, but this does not necessarily guarantee the full stated value and will include up to a $1,000 deductible. The agreed value is a value you and your insurer determine for the car. There is seldom a deductible. Therefore, if your classic were completely totaled, you would get the entire agreed-upon policy value. This is why a classic car collector opts for special insurance to cover the higher value of a collectible. If all the requirements for the collector policy are met, you can usually find a policy. If you try to find conventional insurance to cover the classic, however, you will find it will end up costing more and provide little real value when and if there is a need to use it. Frequently, companies that specialize in collector coverage are less expensive. Collectors have found they can save as much as half the cost of what conventional insurance companies charge and have much higher limits. It makes sense to find a company that offers professional classic car insurance. With insurance coverage for the full market value of your classic car and a savings of 50%, classic car insurance is essential for any serious classic car collector. Our goal at Floridian Insurance is to provide you with the best possible insurance coverage to suit your preference and budget. We will guide you through the complex process of analyzing and selecting an insurance policy that you best matches your needs and desires. You can rest assured that we have the knowledge and expertise to fulfill your every insurance coverage need. At Floridian Insurance, we cover those specialized needs that Floridians have. Most other places have no knowledge of what life in Florida is like. We have you covered when you need help from any issue that might arise. At our Orlando insurance office, you can get a quote or just compare rates for the best coverage that you need today. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.